Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed Android. Now guys, I'm working on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. Firstly, what you need to do, you need to get off from your Instagram and go to your browser and type for speed test. You need to check out your internet connection, the quality of it and the speedness of it. Go for speed test by Ookla, and here you need to go for the go section, in which will start to regenerate this fiction on it. Now you'll need to wait to get that point of it, and as you can see the radar is coming closer, and it seems like I have a good internet connection, as you can see on the upper side. Now I need to go to my settings, and I need just to take a look to my Wi-Fi section, and I need to turn off the Wi-Fi section, and now I need to get turned on again. And the next thing what I need to do, I need to scroll down and go for applications. Then I need to select manage applications and go for the search box and type for Instagram. Now what can I do now is just simply I need to offload the Instagram application, or I can just go for data usage and go and turn off this mobile data. If it's on, you need to turn it off, and then you need to get back, take a refresh, and if you have also the problem, you'll need to go and uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.